We all saw that coming. Did he die? How did she die? You saw that also. 4. Really 4. 4 persons died. The 2 parents, Rebecca, Peter.
Well, thank you for coming to our rescue.
Oh, you always come to mind.
You're sweet. I prefer this relationship, you know, than Rebecca and Peter. That's more my kind of man.
Oh, you're already out.
Why? Ah!
Finished.
No, it's beautiful. I love it.
You're beautiful. Prince was even saying so himself this morning.
Ew! Really from smile to... Not what? We know that she's seeing Ghost, but I thought that she loved Rebecca. Right there she was angry.
Be careful when you get in the shower. Tell them I can't find it. Tell me you call the coroner and then maybe.
Why should anyone hate a lake? She's outside all the time. Pluralize.
Do you think so? She's not telling the truth, but is she lying?
They can wait.
That's sweet, I can't lie.
Back to bed. Please.
Excuse me? That's not sweet. I said that it was not my kind of flirting and of romance, but that they were lovely. That was not lovely at all.
What is that?
You?
That
Thinking.
is a very specific code door, and I would knock the knickers off her.
Why is they keep dragging mud in here?
Clean it up.
They shouldn't be in here at all. Yes, I trust you.
Don't go on the parapet, please.
There's a few things we want to auction, but Henry said this was yours, if you want it.
He didn't.
I couldn't take it.
Try it on.
Nope.
Go and try it on. See something like that. You have to feel it on your skin.
You're a manipulator, really. I mean, she's doing that and maybe she likes a part of it, but you're manipulating her.
Let me show you just how beautiful you are.
She loves you for now, for sure. Is manipulating you, and these pictures.
Excuse me.
B. Anna.
This wing is off limits. Ever find you in here again, in Charlotte's things, ever again. So help me God, I will drag you out of this house by your bloody hair and throw you into that dirty lake.
Oh, did you do it? Really?
Send me.
Ah! I think that he's dead, so maybe if you're really that male ghost, you became a really bad person.
More lemon. It needs more lemon. You all must try this. It's amazing.
Anna is not gonna try. She can't eat. They are playing so much with that. I mean, the writers are playing so much with that. No, she's not dead. I think that they are playing with me, with the viewers, you know, with that, but she's not really dead.
Will it be long?
I'm not sure. But you'll be fine, will you?
What is your issue now?
If you can flirt with him right in front of you, always stick to that.
She tasted the cake like you all did.
You said you took this job. You didn't want old men looking up your skirt or down your place like aging down and damn what, and you just open up and you're told this at it.
You're
He asked me to taste his batter. Fuck!
saying that she's a whore because she tasted a cake?
That's good to know.
You need to see someone. You need a psychiatrist because you have big mental issues.
When a man asks you to put something in your mouth, he doesn't have to ask twice.
He didn't.
Excuse me? Leave him. mom really loves that.
It's like therapy. Also needs to process the change.
Right. Attention.
Okay.
He made puppets aplenty. He loved them so much. Even though he had 20, one laughed too much. The other, too little.
What? Something changed.
Soon, they forgot they had strings. They forgot they were even puppets at all.
Are you talking about the persons into that house?
Claude came back,
Peter came back.
so excited that they had forgotten him, you see. On their strings, they laughed at him. And he was so sad. These stupid puppets who had forgotten. So he pulled on their strings, and it hurt.
Ba. Are you talking for yourself or for Peter? No, not Peter Quint to the rescue, not at all. Peter Quint was talking, or he was talking about Peter.
Sorry, Pete. Bad news, but she's dead. Oh yeah, he is. Just one moment.
His mom died.
His neighbour, Winnie.
Owen's mom.
I am so sorry, Owen.
No! Of course I love Owen. There is nothing wrong with him. Nice. Not a good time, but nice. Tell me that you're gonna come back, Owen. We need you into that mad house. A new one. She's gonna be the 5th, but we have still the 4th.
I'm so glad you stayed and
Girls? I knew I saw something. Don't hesitate. No. It's only the episode 3. I have plenty of time to get together. That can be a slow burn ship. I have hope. What now? You're sad? You're ghost. You lost that person. You run away because of that person. I said that she was haunted by that person because she lost that person. She ran away from her hometown, from where she was, because of that person, because she didn't want to be where that person lived. I think that that person died. I think that it's a woman because of the glasses, you know. For me it was woman's glasses, and right there she saw her ghost because she had a moment, you know, with Jamie, and she felt guilty because of that. I think that it's not a ghost like their ghost, you know, the real ghost of... That's weird to say the real ghost. I mean the real ghost of the show, you know, the ghosts who are related to the house, of course, but also real ghosts. I think that it's more a memory situation. She's haunted by a memory. I know, really, real ghost, that's weird to say it like that, but I think that you got me. I didn't see that coming, you know. I mean, I saw that coming during this episode, love relationship between the two of them, between Danny and Jamie. But before, I didn't suspect that, even if I suspected that that ghost could be a woman, but maybe a sister, maybe a friend, maybe a girlfriend. Now I'm thinking of a girlfriend. And now I think that we can have a love relationship between Jamie and Danny. Okay! They are sweet, I mean they can be sweet together, like Owen and Anna are also sweet together. That's more my kind of relationships, my kind of idea of what romance is, you know, these two relationships, than the relationship between Peter and Rebecca. I knew that we were not gonna know during this episode how she died, what happened to him. I knew that they were gonna present us, these characters, a little, you know, a little of their stories, but not all of it. We are only at the episode 3, really. But yes, their relationship, I felt it, you know, that there was something wrong right there. For me, it was more because of the fact that it's not my kind of love relationship, and of idea of what romance can be. Them flirting like that, I didn't like that, you know. He was not really flirting with her, he was telling her that she was stupid to be there, and if she was not stupid, she was interested, you know, she was not there for the good reasons. That's not how we are flirting with a woman. No. So I was not saying anything at first because she seemed to like that, you know, she seemed to appreciate that, to be okay with that, to love him back. And when they were together, you know, at first, they were nice, they were sweet. It began to not be sweet when he had that impulsive thing, you know, with her. I was beginning to be like, Then we had the alcohol situation, and then all of what he said to her just because of the fact that she tasted a cake. Bring me to jail, really? If you have to be that mad just because she tasted a cake, bring me to jail. She just tasted a cake. That was not even sexual. That was not even just her, you know. She was not the only one who was tasting that cake. To tell her that she opened her mouth because a man asked it, so what can she do next? How dare you say something like that to a woman? You're a disgusting man. If you can think things like that so easily, so quickly, you're a disgusting man. Not the woman. Clearly not the woman. You have these thoughts into you. You're crazy. You need to see someone, a psychiatrist, to work on that. What happened to you? Hein? That was really French. Okay, so this episode was really about Becca and Peter, with the flashbacks, but also with what they think that happened right now. Her being killed into the lake, I really think that she killed herself. I can't change my theory about that, not for now. I don't have any clue of something else happened, you know. The fact that Flora went to the lake and she was angry, you know, she was mad, she was not sad, she was not just talking to the ghost. I mean, we saw her talking to ghost before. She was talking to that ghost, you know, shh, saying shh to a ghost. That was fun. Oh, but we saw her talking to Rebecca before into the bathroom. And she was talking nicely to her. She was saying no. It was almost like, you know, an adult saying to a children, no, you don't do that. You can't do that. Something bad happened during the night. I think that Peter, I'm sorry to say it, but for me Peter is dead, tried to take the place of Miles, to go into him. Someone threatened Miles. Flora knows that someone threatened Miles, someone did something wrong to Miles. Maybe she wants to see Becca to tell her, no, don't do that. Can it be that? Or maybe I'm going too far. For me, it's that. I can't find another explanation. I'm sorry, I'm really like thinking, you know. For them, he's not dead. Peter is not dead. For me, he died. Not with Becca, you know, not in the lake. Or maybe, yes, in the lake. But after that, you know. Anna, she threatened him to kill him in the lake. And she's the one who is lightning, you know, the first scandal. Did you kill him, Anna? That was a really good episode. See, we are still progressing into the story, but we have flashbacks about still the story, the mysteries and all. I prefer that kind of rhythm than the rhythm of The Haunting of the House, which was really great, you know, one episode, one character, because it was a way to go deeper into each character's psychology and story, and it was a family with a lot of secrets, so it was a clever way to do it for them, you know, for this season. But for me, for how I love horror shows, you know, tension shows and movies, you know, shows and movies like that. I prefer that to evolve into the story with flashbacks, with situations like that, but really to be with all of the characters and to evolve into the story like that in a chronological way. I prefer that. I'm still thinking about all of my series, but I think that I'm gonna have to stop right there because I'm gonna watch one more episode, the part 2 of this episode. Can it be possible that we're gonna have the end of the story of Becca and Peter during this part 2? Maybe. That's gonna be almost the half of the season, so maybe. We'll see. I'm gonna discover that right now. It's gonna be in another day. Don't ask me when, because I don't know when I'm gonna finish the binge watching, so I don't know when I'm gonna begin to edit these videos, so I don't know when I'm gonna post them. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.